So you've probably seen Restoring a 68 Camaro episode 1 by now. At least I hope you would have. Well, this is episode 2 of the series. This is also a callback. I filmed this in December of 2020, last year, around Christmas time, when I was in Texas for the holidays. This is basically just an episode of me working on the car and getting stuff done, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube-y things, and check it out. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Restoring a 1968 Camaro. This is part 2 of my series, and today we've got a lot of cleaning, and then hopefully this trip we are going to fix the big hole in the shifter tunnel. But right now I got the far side passenger door open, so I need to use glass cleaner and wipe that off because it is a mess. Alright, so I just wiped down the front of the window for the first time in probably 20 or 30 years for this car. And look at the rag. It is black already, and I've done like 3 wipes of the window. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is this door handle up in here is all rusty and stuck, and it won't open the door, so therefore I had to open it from the inside, which was a pain. So I am looking at it right now, and if I stick my finger on it, and there's a bunch of gunk on it. You can't really see it on video, but there's a whole bunch of crap on this door mechanism. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying a little bit of WD-40 and all the hinge points on here, hoping that it will loosen it up a little so that we can open it from the outside. So, put some in the actual door mechanism right here. Okay. Now a little bit more on here. Okay. Now we've got to wait, but I'm going to continue to clean this window while I wait. So I just set up a table so that I actually have an area where I can put the stuff that I'm working on, and now I'll be a bit more organized, I hope. What's up, everybody? It's been about 2 or 3 hours that I've been working. I got the handle on this door, I cleaned the window, and now we are getting some punches and punching out the rivets in the shifter tunnel that we grinded out last time. And then I am going along the roof and taking out the visors, all that stuff that needs to be taken out, and grinding all the rust and stuff off. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working for a while. What's up, everybody? Today is Monday the 21st, and shush, Meatball. Today I have some stuff planned. I need to get out the last piece of the headliner. I need to vacuum, finish wire wheeling the car, and there's one other thing that I wanted to do. Oh, I need to get out these bugs nests that are sitting on the inside of my car and that are disgusting. So let's get to that real quick and yeah, make some progress on my car. Alright, what's up everybody? I don't know what was going on last time I talked to y'all, because it's been a while since then. I started to grind out the piece of trim that's left up front, but I'm going to wait until Dad can show me how to properly do it without screwing up the car. And then, so now I am working on getting the trim out of the back that goes around the windshield. And then, since I last talked to y'all, we ordered the front floor pan and the shifter tunnel repair piece, and those are Christmas presents from Dad to me. So those should be here 5 to 7 business days, it said. So I'm hoping that that'll get here the day before or before I leave at some point. And if they don't, then that'll be next time. But other than that, later we're going to start wire wheeling the trunk and get some primer or sealant so that doesn't rust anymore. So it'll be nice to see some real progress. But other than that, Dad's off walking right now, so I'm not allowed to use the grinder or the wire wheel. So just kind of cleaning, and I'm going to get this piece of trim out. So yeah, I'll set up a time lapse so you can watch that. What's up everybody? Alright, so it took way longer than it needed to, but I got these stupid pieces of back trim out, so I am glad I did that. And now I am going to clean the windows, the back windows of the car, because they are disgusting, like the front passenger side window was. And I think Dad just pulled in, so in a little bit I will be able to use the wire wheel and grinder again. So yeah, let's get to work.
Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed that episode. I really love working on that car, and though I haven't gotten to do it in a few months, I can't wait to get back to it. In a few weeks when I go to Texas, my motor should be back from the machine shop and ready to be built. So I'll have an episode then, and then we got to get started on the suspension and finish up putting in the floor pans. And as I started in this video, I got to finish the trunk. I found the stuff that I need to order for most of that stuff, so hopefully soon we'll be getting to do that after the motor. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.